It was finally 2022, you know, the year that everything was supposed to go back to normal. And there I was, a freshly year-old with identity crisis, struggling with anxiety. Oh, and let's not forget my dad going on a sudden vacation to heaven. I just really wanted to feel better. I desperately needed a change. And so I decided it would be a splendid idea to take my beautiful, healthy, virgin hair, which I have grown for the past 4 years, to a professional hairdresser. I somehow ended up with completely fried, and when I say fried, I mean destroyed, dead, gummy hair at the back of my head. And so I went to another hairdresser a few days later to see if she could help and fix this mess. But as this lovely lady confirmed all this white hair was pretty much dead, I decided to get it cut. And also colored pink, because why not? It actually looked pretty good, but since the overprocessed hair couldn't hold on to this color, it washed out really fast. And this is what I ended up with. But I don't give up so easily. I have already watched so many Brad Mundo videos, also did a lot of research on products, and so I felt fairly confident to bleach my hair by myself. But did it work out, or did I ruin my hair even more? A comb, balayage board, bowl, some hairdresser foils, bleach, blonde me developer, gloves, elastic bands, more things for sectioning, more clips. So after brushing my hair really well, I sectioned them in a strange way, I know, but hear me out. I still wasn't quite sure exactly what I was going to do about my fried hair at the back, and so I left them out of the bleaching process for now. So it's all mixed. Okay, and yes, I am going all in and applying the bleach to my roots, but honestly I thought my roots were dark, half of my hair was already lighter, so they should match at the end. I was applying a very generous amount of the bleach onto my hair and then tried to keep the foils as neat as I could, since scrunching them could result in an uneven result. And one of my eyes was so watery from all the bleach, I could barely see what I was doing, but we got there at the end. Then I checked some of the foils, assuming they were done, only to realize they needed more processing. And so I reapplied more freshly mixed bleach and covered my hair in new foils. And waited. Just washed my hair with Head and Shoulders Bonaplex, which is kind of like Olaplex shampoo. A deep conditioning hair mask, which is Bonaplex. And I'm gonna leave that for 20 minutes. This is the result so far. So this is what my hair looks like right now. It's dry. So that's after the first round of bleach. And that evening I decided, sod it, I'm getting rid of this fried hair at the back. I'm getting an undercut. So I sectioned my hair again, gave my hubby a trimmer, and off he went. He did a great job for sure. I was one happy customer, but didn't pay anything. I mean, I cooked him dinner and cleaned the house. Just kidding, I didn't clean the house. But I did tidy up all the hair that was left on the floor. So it's the following day. And the following day was more bleaching. This time I went for the back. I still had some of that fried hair left and I went only for the roots, desperately trying to leave the midlands and ends out. Otherwise they would come off, I swear. This should also explain the awkward sectioning using rubber bands, which was not a clever idea by the way. Try to undo a tiny elastic band with gloves covered in lightener. Yeah, stressful. So I applied the bleach everywhere. It's a bit of a mess, as you can see. I've got the bleach on my undercut. Obviously, I applied it first on the virgin hair. And I also applied the leftover bleach onto the orangey bits I still had in my hair after the first round. Took the existing bleach and went like this. And then kind of moved the bleach upwards. Result! Still not perfect, but it will do for now. And off we go to toning. Okay, so I had 2 different toners prepared. One was Matrix Alkaline Toner in 2 different shades, which I will show you later. And the other one was the one and only Wella T18. I've heard so much about this toner. And I went with the Wella T18, of course. Yay! And now we wait. So this is what it looks like after 15 minutes on my head. Are you ready? Here is before and here is after. I was so pleased with this color. Never had platinum hair before, and again, not perfect, but it looks okay. Let's go back in time. Here is 15 minutes prior. So I wasn't that keen on having no roots, and so I came up with a little trick. So I sprayed some L'Oreal dark brown touch-up spray into a bowl and then used a clean dry brush to create fake roots. I only did a few sections on the top and around my forehead, and then used cotton buds and pads to remove excess powder from the skin and the scalp. And then I applied makeup, and here we go. Also, let me say that every time I bleached my hair, I would use conditioning shampoos and masks, as well as leave it keratin fillers and conditioners to keep my hair in okay-ish condition. I know this looks like the happy ending we all wished for, or at least I did, but don't be fooled. It is not the end yet. Oh, and I colored my bleached undercut with Wella Color Touch 5N and 7A. I think I did like 3/4 of 5N and 1/4 of 7A. I think it's about a week after I bleached my hair, and I decided to bleach the orangey bits again. So I put some of them into elastic bands just to separate them. These I'm not gonna highlight. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything to my back. Of course I did a bag, duh! This time I'm gonna be toning it with the Matrix 10p and 10v, 3/4 of the 10p, which is pearl, and adding just 1/4 of the 10v, which is violet. I just washed out the toner with warm water. It kind of lathers, so it's like a shampoo. And instead of a conditioner, I put a Redken All Soft Heavy Cream mask on, and I'm gonna leave it on for 20 minutes. And I'm gonna wash it out, and I'm gonna put more stuff in because my hair is fragile at the moment. You know, I have to say, although having this exciting new hair didn't solve all my problems, I know there is still more inner work to be done. It definitely made me feel good. It's like this experience and different look brought something new and fresh into my life. It showed me new possibilities and not to take life so seriously sometimes. And just play, enjoy it, be grateful while it lasts. A week later, there is no coming back. No! But that's for another video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to see my little pink adventure. See ya!